In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate or create a Dropbox API. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate Dropbox into your applications, or someone just interested in how APIs work, this guide will walk you through the steps in a simple, clear, and concise manner. Let's dive in. First, you want to head over to the Dropbox developers page. You can easily get there by navigating to dropbox.com and clicking on the developers section at the bottom. Once you are on the developers page, look for the option to create apps. By doing this, you are essentially setting the groundwork for getting API access tokens, which are crucial for interacting with Dropbox programmatically. Once you click on create apps, you'll need to choose an API type. For this, we are going to select scoped access. This selection is important because it defines how your application will interact with Dropbox. Next, you'll choose the type of access your app will need. You have two options here, app folder or full Dropbox. App folder limits the app's access to only files in a specific folder designated for the app, which is great for privacy and security. Full Dropbox, on the other hand, allows your app to access all files and folders in your Dropbox. Carefully consider which option suits the needs of your application best before making a selection. After that, it's time to give your app a name. The name can be anything you want, but it should ideally reflect the function or purpose of your app. Once you've settled on a suitable name, enter it in the designated field. With your app named, it's time to click on Create App. This will generate a new app and you'll be redirected to a page where you can manage your app's settings and configurations. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the page. This is where the magic happens. Now scroll down the page until you come across Generated Access Token. This is an important step because the access token is what allows your app to interact with Dropbox on your behalf. Once you find it, click on Generate. This will create an access token specifically for your app. Finally, take the generated access token and copy it. This token is the key that allows your application to interact with Dropbox's APIs. Make sure to store it securely, as it provides access to the resources for which you set permissions, and there you have it. You've successfully created a Dropbox API and generated an access token. With this token, your application can start communicating with Dropbox using the permissions and access levels you've set. If you have any questions or if anything wasn't clear, feel free to revisit this guide to help you through. Thank you for watching and happy coding.